cheating. Pinapoint out nila na ako cheater.
Kaya kayo naghiwalay?
Oo. Ang question, kung ang side nila ba hindi nag-cheat? Lately may napanood ako with interview nila kay Julius Babaw.
Okay.
Medyo personal lang naging dating sa akin na may mga binitawan sila na against me. You know? So,
anong feeling mo doon?
Especially yung mother ni Carla, ex-wife ko. Unexpected na supposedly private matters na ito. Na on my side, supposedly all this time I've been quiet. You know? After the separation with the mother. I've been really quiet until napanood ko yung interview nila with Julius Babaw. Brutal. You know, may mga statements sa binitawan na talagang against me na the way I feel sa mga binitawang statements. Yun bang kailangan masagot ko siya? Yung point na kasiraan ko na ang mga binitawan. At yun bang parang husgado na supposedly the best is marinig both sides. Hindi lang yung isang panig ang pakikinggan o maririnig.
Na sana makuha rin.
Ito yung level na dapat parehong panig ang maririnig.
Meron ko gusto i-clear din doon?
Child support, sa being a cheater. It was even emphasized na I cheated with my first wife. Nag-cheat pa rin ako sa second wife ko. You know? Diba?
So, hindi ko kasi napanood yun.
Ano ang alam nila sa second wife ko wala na sila sa picture. All the while, wala akong nilalabas against them. No? After the separation of Carla and Tom. No? Ang nailabas ko lang was something to do with their relationship. The purpose was to get into something para makatulong sa mag-asawa.
Na baka maayos pa.
At most especially, para ma-save ang marriage. Official na yun. Sa mata ng tao, sa mata ng Diyos, official yun. You know? Everything they spent for, they wasted time for, sa isang iglap. The wedding alone, you know, million yun. Ang ginastos, ang pagod, pinaghirapan, set up, with Bishop Bacani, ang nag-officiate ng wedding. Everything was elegant, na just like in 3 months time, masisira yun. Until this point, na hindi pa rin nag-open up si Carla sa akin. So after that, once I mentioned about something that I was just told by Tom Rodriguez, nakuha ko lang yung issue na yun kay Tom. You know? Na as much as yung purpose ko was to get into the picture para makatulong. Para makatulong sa mag-asawa at so much more na mas-save yung marriage nila. Yung issue na yun, kahit saan mong pipihit na anggulo, wala kang masasabing sisirain ko yung marriage nila. Hindi sila nga mismo, hindi nagsasalita. So supposedly, sila yung dapat magsalita. Pareho silang celebrity, you know? Public figures and public property. Everybody was expecting na to hear them out. Yung side nila. But lately, yung interview with Julius Babaw, kung tahimik sila, bakit may mga binitawan silang statements na kasiraan ng kay PJ Abellana? So yun lang ang point ko dyan. I'm looking forward na magkaroon ako ng proper interview to be able to to react to the statements na binitawan nila doon with Julius Babaw interview.
Specifically, saan ka talaga na nag-react ba doon? Saan ka nasaktan doon sa sinabi nila? Yung cheating, ganyan?
Na cheater ako, na hindi ako nagbibigay ng child support.
Ikaw lang.
No? Yun.
Ano ang gusto mo i-clear doon?
Sa child support alone, bakit nila sasabihin yun na hindi ako nagbibigay ng nag-provide ng child support after na pigilan nila ako na magbigay ng child support? They restrained me na magbigay ng child support. Kaya hindi ko nagagawa
hindi nila
dahil
tinanggap.
pinigilan nila ako from the very start after the separation. Paano ko ipagpipilitan ang sarili ko kung ayaw nila? Ganun yun. And most probably, up to this point, hindi alam ng dalawang bata kung bakit hindi ako nagbibigay ng child support. So that's what I mean. All the while, I've been just quiet. Kasi para sa akin, edukado tayo eh. I'm educated enough to be able to understand and figure out kung ano yung pribado at dapat na ikwento sa publiko.
Issue ng cheating, may sagot ka doon?
Cheating? Pinapoint out nila na ako cheater.
Kaya kayo naghiwalay?
Oo. Ang question, kung ang side nila ba hindi nag-cheat? Yun ang hindi na itanong. Yung side ng mama ni Carla ba kung hindi nag-cheat? Alam nga naman ako lang ang babatuhin ng bato. Sila naglabas niyan eh. May proof tayo dyan. I-retrieve mo sa YouTube yung interview nila with Julius Babaw. Compared to now that I'm talking to you now. Kumpara mo yung date niyan at date na interview mo yun. Yung interview nila is very much ahead of what I'm telling you now. Sagot lang ito eh. Reaction lang ito ng sinabi nilang mga statements against me.
Kasi ba ikaw guilty ka rin dun sa issue ng cheating? Hindi naman.
I don't think so.
Talaga.
Mahulihan mo ako ng fan mail, cheating na yun.
Okay.
No, nasa ng proof doon ng cheating ako doon. Fan mail lang yun. Lahat ng fan mails, meron tayo nag-I love you lahat yan. You know, especially during the peak of my career. You know, that was the time I was doing 3 movies in daily. I was filming 3 films daily, plus the regular show na Analisa. From the very start, you know, ano ba naging cause ng downfall ng career ko? It was because I settled with Rhea Reyes. Pin-priority ko yan. Pin-prioritize ko siya in exchange of my career. Dahil she got pregnant. Detalye ko pa yan. Masusurprise ka. Sana po marinig din nila ang panig ko sa mga binitawan nilang statements o mga salita laban sa akin. The best yun na marinig nyo pareho para matansyan nyo kung sino ang may bearing sa mga binitawan nilang salita at yung mga kasagutan na sasabihin ko.